The future isn't something you wait for, it's something you build. It belongs to people who ask questions, who solve problems, who learn from setbacks, and who keep growing. People who refuse to stand still. At the University of New England, we believe that readiness isn't just a state of mind, it's a muscle. It's built through learning that pushes you, through ideas that stretch your horizons, through experiences that demand more of you and that give more back. At UNE, you'll find more than classrooms. You'll find immersive learning environments where breakthroughs take shape and discovery happens in real time. Community partnerships that serve real needs and give you real-world experience. Faculty who see not just who you are today, but the healer, the innovator, the professional you're becoming. The world is moving fast. Futures are being claimed every second. At UNE, we're moving just as fast, equipping you with the skills, experiences, and mindset to not just keep up, but to define the future, to step up, to invent, to turn disruption into resilience, to make challenges become opportunities. The University of New England, future ready.